Hi everybody, Bob Freeman with MarineMax in Naples. I'm here to talk to you about a new trade-in we just got in, a 2016 Sea Ray 40 Sundancer. As you can see, the beautiful boat, the sleek lines on it are absolutely gorgeous. So let's hop on board and take a look. Okay, here we are on the back of the boat. We're going to start with a really nice feature that they have on the back. Grill, it's all the way on the back, so it's not in the cockpit area. It's outside of the boat. So if you do get any smoke, they're smokeless grills. There's very little smoke that does come out of them. You got a sink, you got a nice prep area right here. So nice feature, especially on the back of the boat. And that also gives you a larger swim platform area as well. American flag, remote controls, drink holders for everybody that sits out here. So we've got a teak table. It's an unfinished teak table. So you can leave it unfinished, or you can finish it up all you want. It's going to be, but it's real teak. It's absolutely beautiful. So nice, comfortable seating area out here. Refrigerator down below, so if you're sitting out here, you can keep your cold drinks down here without having to go inside the boat. Always nice. Let's go inside. Okay, you're entering into the salon. And as you can see, the seating area right here it's an L-shaped seating area. And so it's got it's four adults very comfortably, has an ottoman, and you've got the large slider, and it's all glass in the back. So when you're sitting in here, a lot of times they're not always very bright, but you've got glass and light 360 degrees all the way around the salon. So as we go through it, you're going to see all the windows with the big windows. And it gives you, it's just as daylight in here as it is on the outside. So really nice. Flat screen TV, a couple of opposing seats here, and then into the galley. You've got a fridge with a freezer, microwave, 2-burner stove. You've got a sink, storage. You do have a window right here that will open up. So if you did happen to cook something that was a little smoky, you could open the slider, open it right up, get some fresh air blowing. And there's one on the opposite side as well. So when you're looking over there, you can get a nice cross breeze, and if it's nice out, it's nice to have the cross breeze as well. We also have a really nice feature here. It's a slider, and it's a push button, so this will open all the way up. So if it's nice out, you can open it up and get the fresh air coming through. Plenty of fresh air at night. The stars are there. It's absolutely gorgeous. And let's hop up on the helm. So we've got 2 Ray Marines. And you got the Mercury SmartCraft, so you got you got touchscreen electronics here. It's 2016, so you've got all current touchscreen on this, all the controls. You've got the joystick, and you've got the auto trim as well. So this boat, it's got everything you're going to need to get safely and very easy to drive, very easy to dock. And my vision is very well, again, 360 all the way around the boat. As we move down to the cabins. Got a mid cabin here, so 2 adults, very, very comfortable. So it does have very good headroom down here. So you got 2 beds. You can actually move them, but you know, there's 2 beds right here, so 2 adults comfortable. Flat screen TV, and then you've got storage all in through here, and these are the filler cushions for the couch to make when it turns into a bed up in the salon. Large closet. As we move into the master, very large master, very high ceilings on them, so you got plenty of headroom up here. Big windows. A lot of times in the masters you don't get the big windows, so really a lot of daylight in here. Plenty of room to make the bed on both sides. Cedar line closet, flat screen TV, storage in here as well. A pull-out ottoman down here, and then the head. You've got a full-size head. So again, big window, a lot of daylight, enclosed shower, vessel sink, very, very nice. So for a 40-foot boat, it has just about everything you're going to need. And as you make your way back up to the salon, you can see again, all daylight, plenty of room, very comfortable. So it's a great boat, 2016 Sea Ray 40 Sundancer. If you'd like to see it, give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.